Regardless, we are saying travel will be majorly impacted. So no matter how much you get, just be very much on alert. I wouldn't really go anywhere between Sunday and Sunday afternoon.
You know, sometimes it's tough on the weekends because we all have, especially in the holidays,
right.
we have weekend plans. But it's honestly good timing because just less people have to be out.
Right, exactly. With no school, with a lot of people out of work, you should be able to tuck in and stay safe out there. We have a lot to talk about with this forecast. Right now, a winter weather winter storm watches, I should say, are now in place in the northern upstate, most of our mountain towns. Winter storm warnings have been upgraded in those near Asheville, Hendersonville, Brevard, and into the north and eastern mountains. Major impacts expected in these areas, especially in the mountains, but the upstate can't be ruled out either. This is a look at the snow total potential. Of course, some adjustment may happen. We talk about these loosely. Mountain towns, though, it is very likely you will see devastating snowfall, honestly, enough to take trees down, cause power problems. We're looking at over a foot of snow in the higher elevations, 6 inches to a foot of snow for Asheville, Brevard, Hendersonville, Tryon, even seeing some of that. Even parts of the far northern edges of Greenville County could see 6 to 12 inches of snow. 5 to 8 are a little more likely in this purple shaded area. That includes Tigerville, TR, those in Slater and Marietta. Northern Spartanburg County could see 5 to 8 inches. And then it's a sharp cutoff where we see a lot less in these 85 corridor regions. So Greenville, Spartanburg, Gaffney, Pickens, even to Clemson, you're right on the edge of possibly 1 to 4 inches of snow. Iciness may infiltrate, limiting some of these totals, but if we see enough snowfall, still causing some dicey problems, and a lot less to almost no snow the farther south you go. As far as ice potential, we're looking at freezing rain more significantly across this pink shaded area. Greenville, Spartanburg, Gaffney, northern Anderson County seeing this as well. It's possible to see some freezing rain across the mountains and much of the upstate. It's just not going to be as significant. Just watch for slick roads no matter where you are in this area. We are talking about a major impact winter storm here. Mountain towns, of course, the most likely for high accumulations. Temperatures are just so tricky here in the upstate. This is normal for us in a winter scenario, that we have rain, sleet, freezing rain, and snow all combining and coming and going at times. That really does limit some of that snow total potential in the upstate, though. Can't rule it out for everyone. Futurecast shows with our American model the onset just as rain in the upstate and northeast Georgia Saturday morning, afternoon, and much of Saturday night stays rain. Mountain towns see a faster changeover to some snowfall as well as some sleet and freezing rain mixed. Sunday, that's the day where we're looking at more snow to infiltrate parts of the upstate. At least briefly. You'll notice in the afternoon and evening we do get some rain to return, so it may be briefly snow, just enough to get it on the ground. But look at this, back end moisture on Monday, another blast of cold that gives almost all of us a chance for some snowfall, even if you didn't see any snow on Sunday. Now the European model is very similar. It starts as rain, a quicker changeover to snow, but it does bring a little more snow to our area. So in this scenario, we would have to go with the higher numbers as far as snow totals rather than the lower on our ranges. We're going to continue to watch again for Sunday into Monday to bring another quick burst of snowfall. The European model, though, keeps us mostly as rain on Monday, so we'll see how this develops going forward. Today, generally dry. Cloud cover is already taken over. We are watching some rain out to the west of our area. We might find a little sprinkle today, but for the most part, it's just going to be dry and mostly cloudy, reaching 50 degrees in the upstate and about 45 degrees in western North Carolina. The weekend does not get out of the 30s, so even with rain, it will be a very cold rain, changing over to that freezing rain, sleet mixture, and eventually some snow. The highest totals in the mountains, but the upstate could see significant travel concerns. Now we want to get your riding forecast. Sponsored by Harley-Davidson of Greenville. I'd recommend not riding this weekend. It's just going to be messy out there, but if you have to get out on your bike, Saturday morning will be your best time to do it. Upstate should just see a few spotty showers at that point. Mountain towns, again, Saturday morning is the safest time, but I would say if you can wait, tuck in for the weekend and wait until next week. It'll be warmer and drier by Tuesday. Chris on the roads this morning, 6:15. Any problems?